This ramp meter will help ease the congestion on the 195 on-ramp eastbound. The ramp meter is set up such that the current ramp is a one-lane ramp. It will operate as a two-lane ramp during the time of ramp metering. So what you'll see is the lights will go red, cars will pull up in two rows, and they will be released in an alternating fashion. And about every 4 seconds they'll be released. So there will be queuing on the ramp. There will be cars that will store on the ramp, but that will allow one car to come on to I-90 in a systematic process so that we're not just plugging multiple cars into one space onto I-90 at once. Long term, what you'll see is flows on I-90 move better, and you'll see less collisions happening with the US 195 on-ramp traffic.